Hello guys, for this video we're gonna make ultimate fashion fusion bonus top. So here we are on Clarin near smithing area. Let's see. So you can see guys, I'm using crack shooter CS. So we're gonna add some stuff from this is the ultimate fashion guys, ultimate entropia set for male CS. So I prepared earlier the first set to make the fusion bonus stat here. So we're gonna make another one. So guys, I choose spy set since the first one I saw in the NPC fashion Natalie. Oh, this NPC Natalie. I'm gonna open it. So guys, it's easy to you don't need to click on NPC to offer the awake option. You just type it like this. Oh, cool. So guys, we're just gonna put this one. It's already config, or either you can check it to make it manual. There. So these are all the options that you can check if you need it, but for this you need only critical damage, and also you need pairing guys, you need pairing. So let's start. You just need critical damage plus 6 guys. It depends how lucky you are to make sometimes it take a while to get the dex. The step you need. Oh, by the way, it will appear red the one you check. Sa mga Pilipino, okay? Sa mga Pilipinong gusto maglaro ng Entropia, this is how you make bonus stat fusion guys. Sa ultimate fashion nyo. So, critical plus 3. So, kailangan natin is plastic critical damage. It depends how lucky you are to offer the critical damage. So still wait a little longer. So for now, off ka muna tayo guys, no? Yan na lang muna natin tong So ganito lang yung gagawin nyo from the ultimate fashion. Maglalagay muna kayo ng so tawag dito nila is bless option. So pag nalagyan nyo na siya ng option guys, ng bless, hindi nyo na siya pwedeng i-trade or ilagay sa bank. Bless item cannot be dropped, trade, or placed in a bank. So nandyan lang siya sa inventory nyo or suit nyo. Kung gusto nyo siyang maging tradable ulit, dito lang kay Dual Manager. Alisin nyo lang yung bless option na. So we're still not having the stuff we need. Oh, 3%. So habang ginagawa natin ito guys, no, so kakailanganin nyo ng scroll up costume protect. This scroll prevent costume from breaking while combining, no. So kailangan nakita nyo rito sa back area ng ano natin sa screen na kailangan may naka-up na ganyan kundi mababasagan kayo guys. Pero meron namang nakalagay dun sa ano city option na kakailanganin nyo ng i-remind ka kayo kailanganin nyo ng scroll. Kaya bago nyo gawin to kailangan naka-up na yun. So kakailanganin lang natin ng passion na may 4 na quartz. Hindi naman farmable, nabibili lang siya sa NPC kasi meron tayong passion na tali NPC kung saan pwede kayong mamili ng passion na pwede nyo ipang combine. So medyo matagal tayo. We're not that lucky na it will take a little while, pero just be patient now. So kaya inuna ko na yung ano natin, no? I prepared one set guys para at least ganito siya, ganito yung kailangan nyo, tapos i-combine natin siya later. So maganda makompleto muna natin bago natin combine lahat. Tuturo ko sa inyo paano yung proper combination of the ultimate passion plus the normal passion to have those 3-line CD. Almost. Kailangan natin guys yung ano perfect stat. Yung ano CD plus 6 guys, not 5. Tinoton tayo ng puro 5 lumili to. Still not getting the stuff we need, no? Tagal. Let's see. Yun guys, so drag lang natin to. Mabilis. Kasi pag dinouble click natin siya, pupunta siya yun. Pagkala dito na lang. Paano nakataog ba ka? Okay. Nakalutang talaga siya. Yung bumaba. Mga tulad. Puro text kanina. Okay, nice one. Let's change. After this one more, then we're gonna proceed on the fusion ng PC. So guys, yung fusion ng PC natin is si Bobo-chan. Oh, no, not Bobo-chan, is Peach pala, sorry. I'm gonna click Peach later. So guys, remind ko lang kayo, no, you need to put double click the scroll, so kailangan meron kayo nito naka-appear. First wrong attempt yata may notification that you need scroll of protect costume C protect pala. Scroll of C protect for costume combination. Tapos ang maganda dito guys, no, hindi pina-plug dito yung shout chat or world chat guys. Nagbabawal. So yung mga nakikita niyo yan, may timer yan. Ang mahuli kasing mag-plug dito, mag-spam guys. It's either ma-mute ka or maban ka. Yun ang maganda rito. So lahat makikita mo dito dahan-dahan. Again. Yun! Last one, guys. So guys, ito yung Ultimate Entropia set natin, yung passion set. So nakikita niyo siya may mga na to tawag dito, gem. So dito rin yung ginagawa kay Bobo-chan naman. Paglagay ng kailangan nyo muna siya i-plus 10 para lumitaw yung 4 slot. Then gagamit kayo ng 4 kind of gem or stone. Tapos guys, random yan. Bago nyo makuha yan, kailangan nyo ng matinding swerte. Tapos kakailanganin nyo ng gem revision doon para sa pag-reroll ng stat, yung kulay pula sa baba, yung dex plus 10. So itong akin itatawag na semi-perfect kasi meron tayong isang PBE damage is plus 2 kasi ang perfect yan is all plus 3%. So, ito lang yung kaya tinawag na semi-perfect yung ulti-passion. Pag sinabing perf, ibig sabihin perfect yung stat no item nyo or yung passion. Oh. Plus 4. So, we need so guys, gamit dito no sigurahan ka. Tapos ito guys yung costume protect. Nabibili guys to kay Laura and PC guys. Tapos nyo lang, click nyo lang siya tapos click exchange. Nandun siya. Ang isa niyan is 10p. So 1b yun. Kasi isang perin is worth 100m. So you need 4V. So 4V is 40p. 40 time. Okay. taking a little while. So yung ultimate passion natin guys is craftable to, no? Kaso para magawa mo to, you have two options. It's either to buy already complete set or to craft the necessary material to make this ultimate passion. But you need kaso the last one that you need, the ultimate passion bundle, is kinda limited guys. You'll be lucky if someone selling those, because too many players here also waiting to buy the necessary passion bundle guys. Kasi nga yung iba nag-craft na. Sa susunod na video guys, i-ano natin yung paano siya i-craft bago makarating dito. I don't have the passion bundle kaya hindi pa ako lalabas ng video niya. Pero yung una, pwede kong yung unang set na craftable bago to, sa next video na natin guys, no? For now, let's wait for this. Taking too long. Yan! We're lucky. Okay. So, before that, let's check. Tingnan lang natin. Subukan lang natin kung bagay. Kasi ngayon pa lang ako susubok na magpalit. I miss the old one. Oh, I see. Hindi siya bagay sa weapon yan. Ha. Anyway, let's proceed. So guys, kailangan huwag kayo magkakamali dito, hindi. Kasi guys, ang Entropia Ultimate Passion natin is not cheap. So, pick natin si Peach, tapos combine, costume. Guys, dapat dito yung main natin. Tapos dito yung sacrifice sa B. So, yan, ganyan yung gagawin natin. So, makikita nyo naman yung result guys eh. So, imposible naman basta kayo magkamali. Huwag lang kayo may-excite. Kasi sobrang excite hindi nyo napansin mali na pala. Dire-diretso pa rin. So guys, naka-up yun. Scroll up costume protect natin. So, gonna start now, no? Are you sure do you want to destroy all item on the Robbie? Parang something ganyan. Kulang yung Okay, let's start. So, successful siya guys. So, makita nyo, ibig sabihin, pag successful siya, hindi mababawsag to scroll of costume protect nyo. So, pwede pa tayo mag-continue. Same procedure lang ulit. Okay. So, let's start. Okay, we're very lucky guys kasi hindi tayo nag-fail. So here we are, we have bless option, critical damage plus 3 line plus 6%. So total of 18% per parts, no guys. So yan. So ganyan lang siya guys, paano mag costume fusion bonus stat. So guys, sana nakatulong tong video natin daw para malaman nyo guys kung paano gamit ng fusion guys. Paano maglagay ng blast option ng maayos. Okay na siya, okay na. Maraming salamat guys. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.